All right, everyone, so we have the Jeep outside, and I'm going to put some wiper blades on. Does anyone else feel that wiper blades are a pain in the butt? How can you tell that the wiper blades are bad? Dude, these are beyond bad. You can see that there's nothing. They're actually like serrated, like a knife that you cut bread with. Like, seriously. This is what a bad wiper blade looks like. And they show signs before they're bad. So anyway, these are Bosch wiper blades, and they come with all these different attachments nowadays, which makes things even more of a pain in the butt. But you'll see that there's 2 release tabs, one here and one there. So if you're using the Bosch products, just push them in and then flip the bracket back. It'll look like this. And then you're going to slide the arm through, and then you're going to get it. Let's see if I can't do this without breaking something. They should make wiper blades a lot easier. Huh? Let's see if we can't do this. Oh! Yes! Is it going to work? Let's start over. So it's going to be in this position here when you get them, and with a bunch of attachments. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? You're going to squeeze that in, and then that will allow you to flip this bracket. Bosch wiper blades for your Jeep. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fish it through this way, fish it through that way, and then you're going to swoopy loop it, and then you're going to pull, make sure it's locked in, and then you're going to clip it in. Let's go to the other side. Wiper blades used to be so much easier to do. Seriously. Driving around with bad wiper blades.
It's a Jeep thing, baby.
So these you could just break. Don't ever let the arm stay up like this, or it could come back and take out your windshield. Tech tip, do not leave your arms up so they can do this. With this piece off, it's like an axe. You can just break these apart, it doesn't really matter. You're not putting these on. Broke the other side off. See how I did that? And then on these older ones, you see how it has this snap here? You have to unsnap that. That's what locks it in so it doesn't come apart. And then this was the cover for it, so this is all trash. Remember, I already unsnapped this. You're going to fish it through. Wiper blades do get complicated. You'd be surprised as I put that one on backwards. Lock it in, snap it down.
It's a Jeep thing, baby.
Jeep, Rubicon. Electronic sway bar issues. All right. Thanks for watching.